Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this awesome acrylic dog pen. This thing was so easy to put together. I've got it all snapped together, and I just made it in this perfect square, which is about 47 inches on each side. And I have the taller panel one, so this is a little over 30 inches in height, but this is how easy it is to do it. You line up your panels, and you simply just stick this on here and push down, voila, it is snapped in place and ready to go. Now this is amazing because it's no tools needed or nothing. Now on the bottom, if you did have like a flooring that you could use these little silicone cups for, that way when the dogs get upset, like they're getting upset, this will be stuck on there and you won't see the cage clear across the house. With this, you also have this door with a nice handle on it to be able to open and close. And look at these little locks. That is adorable. They're little bitty bones, and it is a double lock. So if you forget to lock one or whatever, you've got two locks that you can easily open up, let your pets in and out, and that is fantastic. I mean, the fact that it just opens and closes so nicely, and then you can lock them back in. We'll let this little guy have a turn in the box. Easily put them up if you're going out, you have anything in there, put your little dog bed, you put your crate, anything like that for your pet. Have all of it set up in there for them. I love how it actually comes in a couple different colors. This acrylic part is great because you can see everything out. I mean, it's nice and clear. It's like looking out glass, so that's really nice, but of course it is acrylic, so you don't have to worry about that breaking. But this is a really nice set that you can have for your pet in pretty much any space.